Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can share your ChatGPT conversations. So first you need to show the sidebar, of course, and then you need to select a conversation you would like to share. Then you need to press on this share icon, and it's generating preview, as you can see. If you want, you can change the name of the conversation, but I like it this way. So when you share it, anyone can see it. So you need to copy the link, and after it's copied you can open it and you can share it. Let's open it in an incognito tab, and as you see, this is how it will look. As you see, you can tap on continue this conversation and you can just continue. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, it means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.